This is the Valentine's French 75. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day for you to drink this, okay? And this is one of the earliest drinks we made on Tipsy Bartender as well, me and Emma. Okay, raspberry simple syrup, fresh squeezed lemon juice, okay? And then we come behind and we can muddle this bad boy. That's right, you could turn that into a nice little soup. Okay, soup sound nasty, hey? Whatever, drop some ice in, add a little bit of gin, okay? You don't want soup, you want a paste. The paste even sound nasty. Maybe a syrup, okay? Something, okay? So we pour a little bit of this into the base of the glass. You see where we're going here? Look at that, that look delicious already. Okay, and now you come behind and you top this bad boy with some champagne, okay? Some sparkling wine, whatever you have, okay? Beautiful. And then you drop in your little raspberries, and we drop in some lemon zest, okay? A little toast, and we are good to go. And then Handsome comes in at the end with a lovely lady, okay? Okay, the black Brad Pitt, is that too narcissistic? The black Denzel what? I don't know, the hottest guy alive, okay? He comes in at the end. For more drinks like this, check out Tipsy Bartender.